Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Uwani Aliyu, and today I just have a simple Christmas party inspired look for you guys. This video went so left so many times. It's just, I don't know, God just saved it. So just watch, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell like button down below so you can have notifications every time I post a video. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and let's connect, okay? I'll see you guys in the video.
Okay, so let's begin. Yes, I'm starting off with my brows, and I'm using my ABH brow pomade in chocolate, and I'm just using that to fill in the sparse areas, and then going in with my Technique concealer just to clean it up. I didn't really do too much, you know. Yes, and then I go ahead to blend it out because yes, I really didn't plan to film this look. I don't know, it just happened. It was just so spontaneous. I'm going to prime my face with the Pond moisturizer. This keeps me matte. I'm just rubbing that all over my face. I'm also going in with my BECCA matte primer, and I'm putting that in my T-zone just to keep me matte and, you know, clean. I hope you guys are having a really good Christmas. I'm with my family right now in Abuja. Yeah, I just finished priming. I'm going in with my Fenty foundation and my Technique stroke cream. I haven't used my Fenty in a while, so I thought, you know what, let me use it. So I decided to apply that all over my face. You know, coverage is good. I love the coverage still. Like, I can't remember why I stopped using it. I think it's because it made me break out. Anyway, I'm going in with my Tarte concealer. I can't remember what shade that's in, but I'll leave it down below in the description box. I'm just applying that all over my face just so I can, you know, pop. So I'm just going to spray my beauty blender before proceeding to blend my face, and that just keeps me, you know, it keeps it moving when you're blending, so it's not dry and sticky. So yeah, that works. This look, guys, is just so simple. Like, there was nothing to it. I just hope it's worth a video. Like, I felt like it wasn't worth a video. I wasn't sure if I wanted to post it or not. That's why it took me so long to even upload. I'm like, do I want to, do I not? And it just like, I'm just like, you know what, let me just put it out there. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy, Sha. Anyway, I'm just blending in the concealer. I blend. I really like that tight concealer. I just don't like how sticky it is. It gets really sticky, so you might not want to use a brush when you're applying it. So after blending it, I go ahead to set my concealer with this PRIMARK setting powder, and this is only £3. It reminds me of the benign powder, although it's not as yellow. I wish it was as yellow. I just use that to set, and I wish I didn't bake my face because the disaster that happened. Anyway, for my eyes, I'm keeping it really simple. I just went in with the Revolution palette, highlighted my brow bone, you know, put a transition color and put that orange color on my lid. I lost footage from that, so but that was it. There was nothing to this eye at all, just one product, one brand thing, and yeah, that was it. So yeah, I went ahead to contour my nose with my MAC Studio Fix Plus in NW50, and just to snatch it, make me look a little bit snatched, you know. Anyway, I'm using my Benefits They Are Real mascara. I really didn't apply any lashes to this look because I don't know, I was just filming this look just to film. I wasn't filming it to be, I don't know. So yeah, I didn't apply any lashes. In the same palette, I'm going in with that light color just in my inner tear duct. To contour, I'm using my Milani Baked powder in Earth Glow, and I'm just putting that in my cheeks and my forehead just to bring the face, attempt to make you warmer, you know. Yeah, that's right, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Okay, thank you, babies. Yeah, so I just went ahead to contour. I don't know why it's taking me so long to contour. Like, sis, hurry. Excuse me, I'm tired of waiting for you to finish. Yeah, so after baking, I just went in to press in the powder into my face, and this is where I just thought everything just went left. I just wanted to end the video right here and take off my makeup and start it all over again and go to where I was going to, but I just decided to just stick it out and keep trying and keep trying and keep trying and keep trying. I was done here. I was freaking done. I was like, what? Nothing's working. Okay, a brush, let's try, let's do this. We can do it. We don't give up here. No, what is giving up? We don't. Oh my god, no. Okay, I just went in with my blush. I'm using the MAC blush in Raisin, and I just applied it to my cheeks. I just started to continue, but when I put in my MAC Studio Fix powder, you guys, I put it all over my face and it started to give me some positive vibes. I usually don't put that all over my face because it's full coverage, but yeah, I was feeling a little bit. So I use my MAC Prep and Prime. It's also a Fix Plus, so you know I just have to fix everything. And 1 second, let me go get blammed. Okay, sis, what's up? Yeah, it's time for the glow. I'm just applying this highlights from the same palette we use in the eyes. And sis, yo, yeah, okay, yeah, what, yeah. So yeah, I just went ahead to apply it to my forehead. I love a forehead highlight because I don't have a forehead, like I don't have that big of a forehead, so I really like that look. So yeah, I applied it to my chin, my top lip, my what's top lip? What is that thing called? Cupid's bow. So for my lip, I couldn't decide, so I just decided to go to the NYX liquid suede lip, and I really didn't like how it looked on my lip, but looking at it on camera, it looked really good, but I didn't feel it then. But yeah, I went ahead to outline my lip with this other lip product. I will leave the name down below because a girl is away from home, so I don't have access to all these products, okay? Yeah. So yeah, I just went ahead to blend it, and I realized that I did something. I wasn't attempting to do an ombre lip, but it came out really nice and I was proud. So yeah, I went ahead to clean up the lip so it can look sharp, nice, bright red. Yeah, I'm just putting in some finishing touches, trying to, you know, make sure everything's perfect, and that's it for the look. Oh, look at you, girl. Okay, it wasn't a fail. Thank you, Jesus. It wasn't a fail. So for my outfit, look at this babe. Look at this skinny legend, guys. What? Oh my god. So yeah, this red dress, that's from AliExpress. My earrings are from Aldo. My shoes are from Celeste, and the Sleigh is from Uwani. I hope you guys have a good Christmas and a happy New Year. I love you so much. I hope that this Christmas is good to you. Ooh, yeah. I hope that this Christmas is good.